Now, after the union, intersection and difference of the sets, we will talk about the symmetric difference of two sets. And a general formula for the symmetric difference of two sets is A minus B union B minus A. You can have many more formulas also, but the basic one is this only. So we'll first of all calculate the difference of A minus B, difference of B minus A, and the combination of both these sets will be A minus B union B minus A. That is the symmetric difference of these two sets. Let us take an example. Suppose A is a set which comprises of 1, 2, 3 only now, and B is there which has got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first step is to calculate A minus B. So what will be A minus B from here? Removing their common elements. If I remove the common elements, I am left with a null set right now, because all the elements of A were a part of element B, therefore were a part of the set B, therefore I have got no elements here, so I can represent it like this, or I can use this phi sign here. Then I have B minus A, second step. So B minus A, that means common elements we have to remove. So common elements are 1, 2, 3, and removing them I am left with 4 and 5. These 4 and 5. Now these both I have got A minus B and B minus A. Now we have to calculate the union for them. So A minus B union B minus A, that makes it a null set. Union B minus A, that is 4 and 5 from here. Union for this will become 4, 5. Null set it is there, that means no elements, and the elements of B including both of them, combination of them, 4, 5 is a symmetric difference of A and B sets respectively. Now, after that we have got symmetric differences also done. Now we'll see the complement of a set. Complement of a set can also be said to be a negative of a set. That means if I have now in this complement of a set, the one condition, necessary condition is to know, and we must be having an idea about the universal set. Because like suppose I have a universal set comprising of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up till 10 it is there. Okay. A set is there which has got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the elements which are not a part of A, that means universal set minus the elements of A will be is said to be a complement of A. It is represented by A dash. You can write A, C also over here. Like this we represent it. Okay. Or so I have A complement, that is basically U minus A is equal to A complement. From here you have universal set including A complement plus A. Okay. So for this A complement will become equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll remove these elements, and after 5 we have got the rest element, that means 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the A complement. This is the answer for A complement. This is the basic thing for the complement of a set. That means the universal set minus the elements of that particular set will give us the complement of that set. Now after the complement, in this complement part only, we have got the De Morgan's law, and questions based on this De Morgan's law comes, they come in the question paper and all in the examinations. So let us see what is De Morgan's law. We have a general formula for the De Morgan's law, that is basically A union B complement will be equal to A complement intersection B complement. Let me write it down here. De Morgan's law states that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, that is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And also it states that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. These all things which are there, we can prove them with the help of Venn diagrams. We have a proof for all of them with the help of Venn diagrams. Right now we are not going to prove them. Just see the general formula for that and we'll solve them. So we have A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Example we will see. Suppose I have A that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I have B that includes 1, 2, 5, 7 and 8. Now A union B, first of all we will calculate. Let us just prove it. Then we will see whether it is coming or not. This one we will prove. For this the left hand side will become equal to, that is equal to A union B complement. So A union B complement means, first of all let us find out A union B. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Universal set over here is 1, 2, 3 up till 10. Okay, this is there. Now A union B complement will be equal to universal set minus A union B. Universal set is 1, 2, 3 up till 10 minus A union B, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. So we get it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 6 over here, 7, 8 I already have. Then 9 and 10 also. This is basically A union B complement. Now if I solve the right hand side for this one, then right hand side we have A complement intersection B complement. First step to find out the A complement. A we have as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So A complement I can write directly also 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then I have got B complement. So intersection with this, let us write down separately. B complement I have 1, 2. So I am left with 3, 4, 5 I already have there. 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Now intersection for them, that means A complement intersection B complement. Now this intersection part means the common elements in both the sets. So common I can see 6 and then 9 is there, and also 10 is there. Here also 6, 9 and 10. So my answer is 6, 9 and 10. Okay. Now see. With this result and this result that I had, can we see both of them to be equal? Therefore our law is proved. That means A union B complement is definitely equal to A complement intersection B complement. Similar way you can do for the second one. That means A intersection B complement is equal to A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Now this was a De Morgan's law that we have. Okay. So now here we end up with the entire theory part for this chapter. In the next video we'll be solving questions related to operations on sets, and also different types of questions we'll see which have come maybe in the board exams also and in the general papers also. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video as much as you can.